China's WJ-700 combat drone has once again captured international attention, this time at the EDEX exhibition in Cairo, where its presence fueled speculation about a quiet but strategic shift in Egypt's procurement priorities. Although no official confirmation has emerged from Cairo or Beijing, murmurs within regional defense circles suggest that Egypt may have evaluated or even considered a limited purchase of the WJ-700, adding another Chinese-made system to its growing inventory of reconnaissance and attack drones. The Egyptian Air Force already operates an estimated 484 unmanned platforms, including the ASN-209, CH-5, Wing Long, and Wing Long 2, giving the country one of the largest drone fleets in Africa and the Middle East. These rumors, highlighted by Chinese sources such as Sohu Military, paint a picture of an evolving procurement landscape in Cairo, one shaped by budget constraints, political risks, and lessons learned from past fighter deals. According to these accounts, Egypt had shown clear interest in China's J-10C fighter jet during a 2023 visit, reportedly impressed by its maneuverability, advanced radar, and relatively affordable price tag of around $40 to $50 million per unit. But the broader package, 40 aircraft, long-range PL-15 missiles, airborne early warning support, and integrated air defense systems could have pushed the final cost toward an estimated $8 billion. For a military already managing F-16s, Rafales, and MiG-29Ms, the idea of adding a fourth fighter type raised logistical and financial concerns. The memory of the canceled Su-35 contract in 2019, after intense U.S. pressure, further underscored the risk of acquiring another foreign fighter under politically sensitive conditions. Additional speculation suggests that Egyptian officials may have considered the likelihood of Washington restricting X-16 components if Chinese fighters entered the fleet. With Egypt's defense budget fluctuating between $3.1 and $4.7 billion from 2023 to 2025, introducing the J-10C became a potentially expensive political gamble. Drones, on the other hand, come with fewer diplomatic strings and a fraction of the cost. This narrative leads to claims that Egypt decided in June 2025 to pursue a $400 million procurement of 10 WJ-700 drones, each valued at roughly $40 million. If true, the decision reflects a pragmatic shift, choosing high-end unmanned systems that meet operational needs while avoiding geopolitical complications. Such drones could strengthen reconnaissance and defensive patrols across the Red Sea and Mediterranean, especially at a time when regional powers like the UAE, Iran, Israel, and Turkey are accelerating their own drone capabilities. But again, these claims remain unverified and should be treated cautiously until supported by official disclosure. The WJ-700 itself is the product of CASIC's third academy, part of the larger WJ drone family that includes platforms such as the WJ-010, WJ-500, and WJ-600. Development began around 2012, with the design finalized by 2016. The drone features a wingspan of approximately 22 meters and is powered by a WP-11 Jusai turbofan engine. Its air intake is positioned on the upper fuselage to reduce radar visibility, while a V-shaped tail and extensive use of carbon fiber composites help cut weight and enhance aerodynamic efficiency. A scale model first appeared in 2018, followed by the drone's full flight on January 11, 2021, shortly after global assessments of drone usage in the 2020 Nagorno-Karabakh conflict underscored the importance of long-endurance UCAVs. Nicknamed the Falcon, the WJ-700 is built for high-altitude, high-speed, long-endurance missions. China markets it as a multi-role UCAV capable of standoff ground attack, anti-ship missions, anti-radiation strikes, and long-range surveillance. The platform's maximum takeoff weight reaches up to 3.8 tons, with a payload capacity of around 840 kilograms. It can reach speeds up to 700 kilometers per hour and cruise at about 600 kilometers per hour for nearly 20 hours of endurance. At an economic speed of 400 kilometers per hour, endurance can extend to approximately 26 hours. The drone can reportedly operate at altitudes of 12,000 meters, and some references even push the ceiling closer to 15,000 meters. CASIC also showcases a suite of autonomous features: one-button self-diagnostics, automated flight paths, one-button takeoff and cruise, and fully automated landing, all designed to reduce operator burden and sortie preparation time. Weapon integration is one of the WJ-700's standout advantages. It can carry C-701 and C-705 anti-ship missiles, SM-012 anti-radiation missiles, CM-502 KG precision attack munitions, and guided glide bombs in the 50 to 100 kilogram class. The C-705, equipped with a turbofan engine and optional booster, can strike targets up to around 170 kilometers away using millimeter wave radar guidance, ideal for vessels in the 1,500 to 3,000 ton range, or for land attack variants such as the C-705KD. The smaller C-701 is designed for fast-moving boats weighing up to 180 tons. The CM-502KG, often compared to the Spike NLOS, measures about 1.7 meters, travels at roughly Mach 1.1, reaches out to 25 kilometers, and uses a 10-kilogram tandem warhead capable of penetrating up to 1,000 millimeters of armor. It supports multiple guidance modes including infrared, electro-optical, and semi-active radar. Beyond armaments, the WJ-700 can also be equipped with synthetic aperture radar, electronic intelligence receivers, electro-optical systems, and additional surveillance payloads. Presented at Airshow China 2021 in a production-ready configuration, and later seen at Russia's Army 2024 exhibition alongside CH-4 and CH-5H drones, the WJ-700 reflects China's growing push to dominate the medium to high-altitude UCAV market. If Egypt is indeed evaluating or quietly acquiring this system, it would mark a calculated move, shifting from high-risk fighter purchases to cost-effective unmanned solutions that enhance coverage, reduce political vulnerability, and fit within limited budgets. Whether these reports prove accurate or not, the WJ-700's rising prominence signals a broader trend, an era in which the most decisive machines in the sky may no longer require a cockpit.